Who wants to see some pelicans? Wait a second. Oh, there's some more. More pelicans. Yes. Tons and tons of little birdies. There's probably a couple thousand in this area. So I'm going back over there. Look at all those birdies. Birdies. Birdie. I like pelicans. They got those little thing on their little waddles and their little orange foots. But anywho, look at all those mud ducks. That's a lot of duck. And look at them. Those pelicans. Yes, this is interesting right here. Ooh. But anywho, look, more birdies. More birds. Anywho, ooh, mud duckies. These little buggers like to go down into the shallow end for minnows and crawdads and all that other interesting things, and frogs.